NASA's launching a new satellite into Earth's orbit tomorrow to help scientists study a growing threat. As Chris Martinez tells us, researchers are hopeful the mission will help them better understand sea level's dangerous rise.
The world's biggest Earth-observing satellite will soon keep a watchful eye on the planet's rising sea levels from above.
Sea level rise isn't the same everywhere. Some areas it's going up faster than others.
Ben Hamlington is a research scientist with the Sentinel-6 mission. He says sea levels are now rising at an alarming rate. The Sentinel-6 will use radar altimetry to provide near real-time measurements of sea surface height, tracking changes down to mere centimeters. That high-precision data will help scientists better understand both the cause and effect of sea level rise around the globe.
These satellite observations are really critical from a planning perspective, both to tell us how sea level is changing now and then using that understanding to infer how it might change in the future.
Sentinel-6 will measure more than sea height. It will also record wind speeds and study the atmosphere, which will help scientists track climate patterns and better forecast the weather.
The satellite joins a fast-growing network of observatories from several space agencies working together to track climate change. Researchers say understanding sea level rise is among their most urgent tasks, with the number of people living in coastal areas expected to double by 2060.
As sea level continues to rise, more and more people are going to realize the immediacy of the problem and begin to see the impacts of this.
Sentinel-6 is set to carry out its mission for at least 5 years, with its replacement, the Sentinel-6B, already slated to launch in 2025 to keep the study going. Chris Martinez, CBS News, Los Angeles.
The Sentinel-6 will launch in the morning. It's the first joint operation between NASA and the European Space Agency. Up next in sports, more semifinal highlights from today's state volleyball tournament at the Fargo Dome.